What's up, guys? It's me, Sonic.exe again. We are back. I've hit the button. Let's play. Let's see how much I can get. Can I beat 61 like the last video? Even though, if you go onto the high score for now video, when I did get 61, basically you'll see my pinned comment that I just posted, like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago? I don't know, man. It's one of them. I don't want to say 5 minutes ago because I don't think it was that long ago. Anyone? What's it? Oh, I knew I was gonna throw on that. 52, I got better than 50. That's better than 50 at least. Even though I was talking a lot, which kind of made me lose focus. But hey, not bad. Okay. I just like to go fast. One of these is the right one for each equation. Imagine I get the same one twice in a row. Okay, that would be difficult. Oh! Seems like that. Okay, 8 plus 8 times 8. Okay. After this, I'm gonna try some different ones. Obviously, why I got 74 was on this, because I'm best at this. Although, I do try other things as well, and I'm also pretty good at them, but not as good as this one. Okay. My brain is just gonna work now. From now on, it's just gonna work. Hey! New best for today. We got 53. 1 up. Okay. Oh. Which one should I... I'm gonna try times now. I'm gonna go mixed first. Okay. 3 times 10. 30! Come on, hit it. Okay. Okay, 4 times 5. There it is. You know, yeah. Ah, they go in order. It's like how, like, smallest to largest. You can see that if you go, like, horizontally like that, yeah. You can absolutely see it. Like, holy crap, it's actually insane. Okay. Here. It's just they're all in a rectangular order, not in like a hexagonal order. Unlike the last one. The other one I would like to play a lot. There's 40. There it is. 88. So that's actually 54. I was looking for 54 button. 40's not bad. Hey. Let's go. Let's go with times 2 now. We'll go in order of these. I started off a little late. Wait, that was kind of lame. I want to go again. 22, 4, 12, 16. 2. Click on 2. Oh, dang, that's actually wasting my time. Because it's not clicking it. Oh, they're not in order. What? Okay. That's just annoying. I'm just being stupid from now on. I'm just being stupid now. 12. I'll probably be better if I hit the question. You know, I'm just gonna hit the question instead. 4 is 2 times 2. 16. And 8. 9. 10. 1. 2. 6. Okay, 8. 9. You always just gotta think of the doubles. Like this. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. You see, like that, it takes me a little bit of time to think. Oh my gosh, I'm just being stupid. Again. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 12 is 7. Half of 14. Half of 14 is 7, actually. Okay. 9. 4. 2. No, 1. Why am I so ridiculous? I'm so stupid. 37, I did absolutely stupid. I did absolutely terrible. Let's go back to the regular one. Let's go to number 1 right there. Nick 10. 2. Ah, it's this. So it's like when a number gives you something, then you have to add that specific number on it to make 10. Ah, I see this. Okay. You're just giving me opposite calculations now. Wait. 9, 0, 10, 6, 0, 0, 1, 9, 3, 5, 1, 0, 3. This is an 8. This is 6. This is 3. This is 4. This is 2. This is 0. This is 2. I got 38. Okay. I think I'm gonna go back to this. I like this better. Hopefully because I'm better at it and I play it more, and yeah. I'm not joking when I say this, by the way. Not foreshadowing, by the way. I thought they were on the opposite side, and I did not know where I completely forgot where 64 was. But hey, I'm going a little faster, as you can see. I got 56. I was going a lot faster there, as you can see. As you saw, should I say. Anyways, yeah. One more time? Fine. One more time. Of course, they're in a different order. And so I don't know where they are. Ah! What am I doing? Okay. I'm just forgetting where they are now. I gotta get used to this. I'm gonna get used to it. I'm gonna get used to it. Oh. Come on, faster. 16. 52. Okay, that's not bad. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace.